Wok cooking on a big green egg, spectacular. And you're going to notice mine is now seasoned. So what you have to do to season your wok is you want to heat it up, put a little oil on there, and it's got to be, don't use olive oil or a low smoke. You want a high smoking tolerant oil, like a canola oil, vegetable oil, stuff like that. Even a good sesame seed oil does very well. Then you'll heat it up, and you'll actually fry some vegetables in here, like scallions or green onions or even garlic or ginger, something very pungent, and then they'll start to change colors. Mine I've used a lot, and obviously it's black. You can tell that mine's well seasoned. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cook some fried rice. We're going to do some chicken, broccoli, and some fried rice. This is very simple because I'm literally using frozen fried rice, and that's going to go in here. But chicken is fresh, already seasoned. Broccoli fresh, ready to go in. And I got some oil again, some different sesame seed oils, soy sauce, and some fried rice seasoning. Really good stuff. Very simple to do, and you're going to see how quick and easy this is. Setup of the egg, I got it about 425. I want it at 400. So when I stick this cold wok in, it's going to bring it down a little bit, and then I'll shut this down to bring the temperature right at about 400. That's the safe area you want to cook in when using a wok. You're also going to want one of our pit mitts, because with the wok, you have our wood spatula that comes with it. You want to cover your arm because you are going to be working over some heat. So egg setup again, 400, and it is direct. You will need the bottom of the expander, which that part is actually called the convector basket. And you're going to want that in there because this sits directly inside that, whether you have the large or extra large. So I'm going to get this heated up. So we're going to burp our egg right here. I'm going to stick our wok in. And it's just going to sit in there, and now I'm going to let it heat up, then I'll add some oil. We'll be back in 1 second. All right, now that the wok has been in the egg and it's heated up, we're going to now put our chicken right in there. And you can see I've already put about a tablespoon of oil in there. We're just going to drop our chicken in there and start stir frying this up. And you can hear that sizzle already. That is a good sign. And as soon as it goes in, you want to just keep stirring it. Okay, now let it sit. Let the stir fry up a little bit. Also, I'll make mention, you want to close the bottom vent because you don't need that extra air getting in there because we're going to cook pretty much with this wide open now. Remember to keep stirring. Okay, while this is finishing cooking, I'm going to add some of the broccoli. Get that cooking. I'm going to let that brown up a little bit. Now that our chicken and broccoli are getting there, it's almost done. I can see that the chicken's browning very well, and the broccoli looks like it's very green, so that's a good sign. I'm going to dump in our fried rice, literally a frozen bag of fried rice. I'm drop it right in there. That's how simple this dish is. You're going to put that in there. And again, using your wooden spatula and your egg mitt, you're just going to stir it up. We'll add a little more oil here in a second, but that's really looking good right now. You want to keep stirring this as much as possible. You're going to let it heat up, get a little brown on the rice, and then keep stirring. Get the next level going. You're going to keep mixing that up until the rice is at the right doneness, and then you're going to add a little soy sauce, and I also have a little fried rice seasoning I'm going to add in at the very end. Okay, the rice is starting to look really good. I'm going to add some of this fried rice seasoning, and then I'm going to add a little soy sauce, and we're going to mix that up. And then this is pretty much ready to go. Okay, now that the rice is complete, I'm going to put in a bowl, let rest, serve, and eat. This is going to be delicious. All right, now I'm going to close the egg because I want that wok in there and the heat to help cook some of that extra stuff off the wok for later. When I clean it, it'll be a lot easier. All right, this is our chicken fried rice using our wok cooked on the big green egg. Enjoy.